Welcome to bus number 40. This is my route bus for the 2021-2022 school year. It's a 2007 Bluebird rear engine CNG transit bus. 65 passengers. It's got an unusual seating arrangement where you have 3 passengers on one side and 2 on the other. And then the aisle is offset compared to a center aisle. I have 2 roof emergency exits. I have a rear emergency exit, the back window, I have a side door, and then I have 2 window emergency exits. That one there, and then you can see by the stickers labeling, and then the little red handle of where it is. This is a nice running bus. I had this last year, or actually 2 years ago, because COVID cut short the 2019-2020 school year. Coming around, standard Bluebird setup. There's all my COVID stuff. I have my hand sanitizer, I have my temperature gauge, and I have spare masks in case the kids forget them. Our protocol this year is 2 kids per seat. We take their temperatures, we give them hand sanitizer, and today I got some pink masks in case someone forgot their mask. Down there I have my trash can, and I got my gloves. My cup holder's been repurposed to hold my temperature gun. Coming around, seat, forward, back, up and down. Standard Bluebird seat, yeah. Needs help. Standard gauges. Air pressure gauges on the left. I have my speedometer, I got my tach. Over here shows how much fuel I've got, along with all the other little idiot gauges. Transmission, crossover lights, door control, heaters, defrosters. My emergency equipment is up on top. And this one has a stereo up on top. And my seatbelt cutter for in case of an emergency to cut kids out. I have a power supply here. Some of the Bluebirds will have the power supply over here. I'm lucky I've got one here. I stick this piece of paper to hold my pen, and then I also tuck my cell phone behind there. And this is the inside. Let me go walk around, do it in outside. Here's the outside of bus 40. Sorry, the sun's coming up. It's a good looking Bluebird. Nice clean bus, good running bus. See you on the road.